In this video, I will show you how to make bouncy bow with Agnes. Please keep watching. I am Agnes. Welcome to my channel, So with Agnes. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. So I have this piece of fabric, which is 18 inches wide and 13 inches long, which is the base of the bow. But first of all, I want to say a big thank you to Billy Kiss Signatures because I watched a video on making a bouncy bow with crinoline. But since I don't have a crinoline now, I will use Adnet. Thank you, Billy Kiss Signatures. So I'm making this bow for 1 year old girl, but you can actually use the same measurements for 2 or 3 years old girl. And it will work perfectly. But you can make the width 20 or 25. It's okay, it's up to you. So this is the ad net I'll be using. I'll fold it like so. But let's start with the fabric. So I'll fold it right sides facing each other by the 18 inches. Then I will take it to the machine. I will sew half inch. I'll close that part by half inch. Then I will tell you what to do next. So I will do the same for the ad net. I'll fold it like so. Then I will sew half inch at the top. So after sewing, I will have to insert the ad net inside the fabric, but I will show you how to go about it later. So I have this other piece of fabric, which will be for the tail of the bow. So it measures 25 inches wide and 4.5 inches on fold. Four 4.5 inches on fold. So I'll fold it like so. So it's folded into 4 parts. So from this folded end, I will go up by 1.5 inches and I'll mark. Then from this open end, I'll mark 2.5 inches. I'll go in by 2.5 inches and mark. So I'll connect that 2.5 inches to the 1.5 inches like you see me doing. So I'm just checking if we can do 1 inch, but 1 inch will be small because we know we have to turn it. Even here you can do 2 inches, but 2.5 is okay. So from the 2.5, I will slant it down at the edge like so. So let's cut now. But please take note that this is the folded end, so you will not make mistake. And this is the open end. See, it's folded at this end. So cut it now. For this other end. So after cutting, this is how it looks. So I'll take it to the machine. I will sew this end, this up to this end, from here to this other end, half inch. Then I'll turn it. So I have sewn this base and I've ironed it neatly, making sure that the seam is at the center. I've done the same for the ad net. The seam is at the center. So I'll tuck it in like so. I'll tuck the ad net inside this like so. So I'll cut out the excess ad net after closing that side. This is the right side. So I'll fold right sides facing each other and I'll take it to the machine. I'll close it by half inch. That top area, then I'll top stitch it. So this is how it looks. I've closed it. I will cut out the excess. Then I'll take it to the machine again. I will top stitch that part. I will lay it down flat and top stitch it. Then after I'll turn it like so. So this is how it looks. I'll lay it flat and I'll top stitch it. Our bow is coming to play. So this is how I'll fold I'll gather and fold to form the bow. It's so bouncy. You can use a more other net or the crinoline to make it more bouncy. So I'll use thread to tie it neatly. This is my thread. I'll tie it at the center, at the middle. Yeah, at the middle, I'll tie it like so neatly. Make it tighter. You have to adjust it well so that the thread will be at the center. So this is how it looks, beautiful and bouncy. So this is the tail. I have sewn it, iron it neatly, then I've closed this opening. So I have this. It's 2.5 inches by 5 inches. So I'll fold it and I'll sew half inch, then I'll iron it. This is it. Iron it neatly. So I'll place it like so. So this is how the bow will be. The tail will be like this, and this strip will be over it at the center like so. So this strip at the middle should be tight, should hold it firm, hold the base and the tail firmly. So I'll take it to the machine, I will sew half inch at this point, then I will turn it over. So this is how it should look like after sewing. So I've sewn it, then I'll turn it like so that the seam will be inside. This is so beautiful. So how beautiful our boys. How it should look like. I noticed that this part is slacking. So I'll unstitch it to tighten it a bit. So after unstitching it, this is how it looks. See that center? So beautiful. Our beautiful and bouncy bow is ready. Thank you for watching, and I see you guys the next one. Bye bye.